Okay, so let's start with the next part, that is third part of the CloudOps. So here we are going to understand CloudOps culture. Now, like DevOps, CloudOps success rests heavily on developing a culture geared towards making the most of the framework and tools. And as more organizations move more work and processes to the cloud, they need to focus on building CloudOps expertise. Most clients live in a state of reaction when dealing with the cloud and cannot respond to events, changes, or requests for new services. Protiviti's Thomas says CloudOps establishes the structure for deployments enabled via automation, allows for monitoring, reviewing, and optimizing existing resources, and examines corporate policies for alignment to the cloud. Stratos Saunis, an expert in CloudOps, agrees that organizations need a broader understanding of the appropriate alignment of proper organizational structure, expertise, and collaboration CloudOps to really work. CloudOps isn't single team or department. The IT security, architecture, and applications teams need to collaborate and be aligned on common CloudOps practices. The CTO says CloudOps doesn't work well if these teams are working in silos. The technology team responsible for implementing need to understand under cloud-based architecture, networking, security, and automation. It is said without foundation skills, the teams could risk implementing solutions where cloud services already exist. Champion or a culture shift. Get everyone on board. Succeeding in the cloud takes an entire organization. Old processes and procedures aren't going to cut it anymore. Educate employees and management alike about how existing systems can translate to the cloud. Understand maintenance requirements. The kind of upkeep and cloud services requires is very different from the physical server maintenance. Teams will need to work with cloud vendors to troubleshoot, guarantee compliance, and do whatever else needs to be done to keep systems up and running. Teams must acquire new cloud specific skills, and because cloud ops don't require physical servers, the virtual servers will need to be maintained with the cloud provider's native tools. Benefits of cloud operations. CloudOps offers a long list of benefits to organizations, including accelerated automation. CloudOps tools can simplify automation in a broad range of everyday tasks, including provisioning servers and storage, application testing, monitoring and reporting, application builds, and security event remediation. Enhanced security. Major hyperscale cloud providers utilize the industry's best physical security and constantly monitor their infrastructure to help prevent against cybercrime or data exfiltration. Nearly every organization realizes security improvements when migration to the cloud, keeping in mind that cloud security falls as much as on the organization as it does on the cloud provider. Improved RPO or RTO, that is backup and data recovery, was the initial use case for the public cloud and continues to be strong deliver and cloud migration. Backup and replication strategies can lower the recovery point objective, that is RPO, and recovery time objective RTO to near zero, helping to ensure availability around the clock or an increasingly global user and customer base. Overall IT savings. Since cloud services are pay as you go, their large capital expenditures are eliminated, along with the need to purchase service contracts and constantly upgrade data center hardware to meet changing users' demands. Additionally, eliminating the data center infrastructure saves facility costs such as power, cooling, even real estate. On demand scalability. Seasonal or growth demands can be met with the instant capacity increases, usually via self-service portal. Provisioning new virtual machines, physical servers, storage, even network bandwidth can all be all be done by push of a button, enabling organizations to be more agile and meet demands head on as they occur. Anywhere access. Organizations can access cloud applications and resources anytime using nearly any device from anywhere with an internet connection. Non disruptive upgrades. Infrastructure and software can both be upgraded or updated seamlessly without service disruption, enabling fixes to be applied or new functionality added while normal business operations continue. How does CloudOps work? Cloud operations or CloudOps involves managing and optimizing cloud infrastructure, application and services. How it usually works. Cloud infrastructure management. CloudOps starts with the building and managing cloud infrastructure on AWS, Azure or GCP, virtual servers, storage, networking and other cloud services support the organization's applications and workloads. Automation. CloudOps relies on automation or to simplify repetitive activities, boost productivity, and decrease errors. Cloud resource and application provisioning, configuration deployment, scaling, and monitoring are commonly automated via Ansible, Puppet, or Terraform. Monitoring and alerting. CloudOps teams monitor cloud infrastructure application performance, availability, and security. They use Amazon CloudWatch, Azure Monitor, or Google Cloud Monitoring to gather metrics, logs, and events and create alerts for faults or abnormalities. Scalability. CloudOps lets companies increase infrastructure and apps on demand. This involves vertical scaling, raising or reducing resource sizes, and horizontal scaling, adding or deleting instances or nodes frequently, employing cloud provider auto scaling. Compliance. CloudOps teams must follow industry and corporate standards and execute security best practices, set up access restrictions, encryption, network security, monitoring, and auditing. Cost optimization. Another essential component of CloudOps is controlling cloud expenses. Team analyzes resource consumption and spending trends, discover cost savings possibilities, and optimize cloud expenditure by right sizing instances, employing reserved instances, or using spot instances for non critical tasks. Disaster recovery and high availability. CloudOps uses DR and HA solutions to reduce downtime and data loss during failure, replicating data and resources across various areas, leveraging cloud backup and restore, and testing DR methods regularly may be needed. Continuous improvement. Teams in CloudOps work to enhance cloud infrastructure and application performance, dependability, and efficiency. This comprises reviewing metrics and performance data, performing incident post mortem, and automating, optimizing, and architecting improvements. CloudOps helps enterprises take advantage of cloud computing's scalability, flexibility, and cost effectiveness while guaranteeing the scalability, uh, security, and performance of their cloud based infrastructure and applications. Thank you.